Bienvenue to French class number 10. Today we are talking about l'article indéfini, indefinite article. Un, this one here. Un, une, des. These are indefinite articles. Like in English, you have a boy, a pen, or an antelope. And then in plural, you have antelopes and so on and so forth. But in French, it's a little bit different. Let's look at it. Now, you may want to ask for something politely. Demander, demander poliment. To ask or request politely. Demander poliment. So how do you ask for something politely? You would use the phrase je voudrais. Je voudrais. This would mean I would like. This means I would like. And then s'il vous plaît. From our previous class, you know that s'il vous plaît means please in an official way. So you would say, I would like this, please. Je voudrais, blah, 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 s'il vous plaît. In an example here, je voudrais une chaise, s'il vous plaît. I would like a chair, please. Je voudrais une chaise, s'il vous plaît. I would like a chair, please. Or if you are asking about the prices of things, demander le prix. Asking the price. You will go to a shop and you want to know how much something costs. So you're asking how much does it cost. Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? How much is that? Or how much is it? How much is that? Or how much is it? Combien ça coûte? The same question can be asked in a different way by rearranging the words. Ça coûte combien? That costs how much? How much is that? Ça coûte combien? Ça coûte combien? Combien coûte un pantalon? Combien coûte un pantalon? How much is a trouser? Or if you like, you may say a pair of trousers. Combien coûte? How much is un pantalon? Un pantalon is a pair of trousers. So how much is a pair of trousers? Combien coûte un pantalon? Combien coûte une chaise? How much is a chair? Combien coûte une chaise? And so on and so forth. So from our examples here, you realize we said, I would like a chair. And for a chair, we said une chaise. Je voudrais une chaise. I would like a chair. And here we have said, we have asked the question, combien coûte un pantalon? How much is a trouser? And how much is a chair? Une chaise. So you see here we are using a, here we are using une. Now this is the thing. Remember last time we said that in French, nouns are either masculine or feminine. So for all masculine nouns, you use the article un. Un. Many people when learning French tend to forget and read this as un. Please never read it as un. It is un. The N is also a bit silent, so it comes out as un. Un. And then the feminine nouns take the article une. 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 And both of them in plural would take the article de. De. So in singular, it is un, une, but in plural, both of them become de. I'll give examples here. Une étudiante. Une étudiante. Une étudiante simply means a student. But in this case, a female student. A female student. Une étudiante. Then we have un étudiant. Un étudiant. And because there is N and E following each other here, sometimes you may hear somebody pronounce letter N, this sound N. So it would be un étudiant. Un étudiant. Un étudiant. un étudiant or un étudiant. That is a male student. And when there are many, that is now students, you'll say des étudiants. Des étudiants. Again, this alone is des, and this other one is étudiant. But because of what we call liaison between the two, this is ending with a consonant and this one is starting with a vowel, we pronounce this S like it's a Z just for the beauty of it. Des étudiants. And this means that in this case, the students could all be male. So then you simply say des étudiants. But it could also refer to a mixed group, male and female. So all students would be referred to as des étudiants. But if they are a very specific group, and that is to say that only female students, there are many but only female, purely female, then you'll say des étudiantes. Des étudiantes. If you remember une étudiante, des étudiantes. So this would just be the plural for all the females. I hope you managed to understand the concept of indefinite article, un, une, and des. And until next class, thank you.